Mototrbo IP Site Connect uses the power of internet to connect radio users across dispersed locations. It can connect up to 15 single sites to form a wide area network. Radio users can roam freely from one site to another in an extended coverage area. This system enables radios of different bands such as UHF, VHF, and 800 MHz to communicate seamlessly. High-rise buildings may pose a problem for radio signal. For example, the multi-story basement and concrete beams in a building may prevent radio signal transmission. Mototrbo IP Site Connect unifies radio users across buildings and boundaries, overcoming physical barriers to enhance better transmission and keep your workforce connected. This system meets the communication needs of manufacturing, oil and gas, utilities, and transportation by making it easier for dispersed workforce to stay in touch. Mototrbo IP Site Connect operates in a conventional mode and caters for low-traffic communication. The system supports single or multiple sites and extends coverage over 15 sites. You can overcome barriers to stay connected, supporting 200 users per site. Mototrbo IP Site Connect system extends radio coverage over the IP network to connect workforce anywhere they go.